Hi, my name is Bogdan Sucaciu and welcome to my course, Handling Streaming Data with the Kafka Cluster. Streaming is not only about watching online videos and listening to podcasts on your favorite mobile app. You have actually already started experiencing streaming in more ways than you can imagine, probably without even realizing it. This beginner-level course should get you started with the fascinating world of streaming data and how Apache Kafka can solve some of the most common pains encountered in large organizations. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the basics of streaming data and why Apache Kafka can be considered a streaming platform, producing and consuming data to and from Kafka, how to manage data streams, and finally, we're going to take a look at how we can adapt non-streaming models to work with Apache Kafka. By the end of this course, you'll be comfortable with handling different scenarios that are commonly encountered when using Apache Kafka inside your organization. There are no prerequisites for this course, but in order to ensure a smooth experience, I would recommend having some experience with the Java programming language, since I will be writing some Java code. Also, I will continuously be using Docker to keep system differences to a minimum, so it shouldn't matter if you use Windows, Linux, or Mac. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Apache Kafka with courses on Kafka Connect, Kafka Streams, or KSQL. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about streaming and Apache Kafka with the Handling Streaming Data with the Kafka Cluster course at Pluralsight.